Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Samudra Shakti-23 is a bilateral exercise conducted between India and which country? Option A Sri Lanka, Option B Indonesia, Option C France, Option D Israel. Correct answer B Indonesia. Notes Samudra Shakti-23 is a bilateral exercise between India and Indonesia. It is being held from May 14 to 19 this year. INS Kavaratti, indigenously designed and built ASW Corvette is participating in the 4th edition of bilateral exercise. Exercise Samudra Shakti is aimed at enhancing interoperability, jointness and mutual cooperation between both navies. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which country is set to launch NVS-01 Navigation Satellite? Option A USA, Option B India, Option C UAE, Option D Russia. Correct answer B India. Notes NVS-01 satellite is said to be launched by ISRO on May 29. It is a navigation satellite that will be launched aboard the GSLV Mk-II. It aims to augment the 7-satellite navigation constellation NavIC. The NVS-01 satellite will replace the navigational capabilities of another satellite NVS-01 in the constellation. It will retain its communication and messaging capabilities. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Burachapori Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which state? UT. Option A Assam, Option B West Bengal, Option C Odisha, Option D Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer Assam. Notes Burachapori Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area situated in Assam, on the south bank of the Brahmaputra River. The state government recently announced the plan to open the traditional path of wild animals from the Kaziranga National Park to Orang National Park through this wildlife sanctuary. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Where is the great-grandfather tree located? Option A India, Option B China, Option C Greece, Option D Chile. Correct answer D Chile. Notes the great-grandfather tree is currently in the process of being organized as the oldest tree in the world. Situated in Chile, this tree is believed to be around more than 5,000 years old. The sample which was extracted and other dating methods suggest the tree is up to 5,484 years old. The current record holder is a 4,853-year-old bristlecone pine tree in California. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Sanchar Sathi portal, which was launched recently, is used for which activity? Option A grievance redressal, Option B tracking lost or stolen mobile, Option C nomination for awards, Option D GST filing. Correct answer B tracking lost or stolen mobile. Notes the Department of Telecommunications, Government of India has finally launched the Sanchar Sathi portal to help users track their lost or stolen mobile phones. It uses the Central Equipment Identity Register (SAR) system to block or locate lost mobile phones. The system is managed by the Center for Department of Telematics C.